discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Kia Soul. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.